you stop and admit that's my mind. That's how I treat myself in secret. Because to perceive truly, you're not going to perceive anyone treating you in any way. You might perceive them become aggressive and cruel, but you won't perceive it as in that's about you or toward you even, or any kind of problem for you. It would just be another benefit and a gift. So yes, they are innocent. They're not being seen clearly. And if I in turn react by matching that, yes, because you are innocent. You can only do what you can do. You can only see what you can see. You're totally innocent. And, and here's another important point, that you're learning just like the other person, right? You're learning from that point. You're learning from your point of view. They're learning from their point of view. You're learning. You can be happy about that, actually. When you're recognizing that you're reacting out of anger to anger, awesome. Now, will you also admit that it's not justified? Will you also admit that you're not seeing them clearly? Will you also admit that you're being led by ego and you're totally mistaken? See, all of those things make it more and more of a benefit for you. Okay? You can turn anything into a benefit, I promise you. It's just the only thing that prevents that from happening is this making the illusion as if it's reality. So hooray, I love you.